Hi, if you're watching this video, then that means that you are redoing or possibly just getting some help with your performance task. So on this modified version, what you're going to do is you are just going to choose one of these three items to be the thing that you're going to resell. And so you're going to purchase, let's say you purchased the old table. So you're going to write, what did you pick? You write table, and I bought it for how much you pay for it. You paid $35 for it. So whatever, the only reason why step one is here is because you have three choices. So you're just going to use the numbers given here, and you're just going to pick one of those things. Then you're going to come down to step two, and now you've spent some time decorating it, and you are going to resell it. So to resell it, you are going to use a 25% markup. So you're not picking the percent, you're using 25% as your markup rate. Okay, so you're going to calculate the markup. And then after you calculate the markup, you're going to use the markup to determine the selling price. Okay, and then you'll have a final price that you're actually selling it to somebody for. Come down to step three. After some time, the item is not selling. So you're selling for a certain amount. It's not selling well, so you decide to reduce it and use a discount. Your discount is 15%. So you're going to use this 15% discount rate to come up with the actual discount in money. You're discounting, the thing you're discounting is the amount you're selling it for. You can't discount the amount you bought it for. You don't have the power to do that. You can only discount how much you're selling it for. So that's what you're discounting, the selling price. Then you're going to use the discount and the selling price to come up with the new sale price now that it's on sale. Once you've done that, the last thing you're going to do is answer this final question. How much more is the sales price than the original buying price? It should be more. Like, you should be selling it for more than you bought it for. And then, did you make a profit? All right, so then that's the final question. So let me just go over really quickly, though, in general, how you find, how you do these problems. So as a reminder, okay, we're using, if you're given a percent, like, I'm not going to use these, well, I'll use 25. So I'm using a 25% markup, okay, if that's my percent markup. And let's say the original cost of my item was $50. So let's say it was 50. Then I can then use that to find the markup, because the markup equals the percent markup, times the original. So that would give me, remember, because the part equals the percent times the whole. So I would use that to find the markup. Then once I know what the markup is, so in this case, it would be $12.50. The markup is what I add to get the selling price. So I add that on. So now my selling price would be what I paid for it plus my markup of $12.50. And then my selling price would be $62.50. So that's how you come up with your selling price. Use that concept to be able to figure out then what to do with the discount. But so that's another example for you. That's not the answer you should have, because I don't believe any of the items